chapter number 7, the packing, which is from your book Beehive. Now, this chapter is again an extract which is taken from your book, that is Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. So, he is the writer of the book, the novel, and the name of the book is Three Men in a Boat. And this is an extract, a small passage, a small story which is taken from that book. Now, this book is a very hilarious book. If you have ever read it, I think it is a very common book among the students, among the kids, and I believe you might have read it. This book is a very interesting, very funny kind of book where we are talking about three friends who are getting ready for a journey, and as the title itself says, packing. So what they are doing, they are packing their bags for the journey. They are going to begin a trip, and before that trip they are just packing their bags. Now it takes us on a hilarious ride. Hilarious is very funny ride. We will see that when we'll be reading the summary, that what happens is there is very funny incidents which are taking place while the people are actually packing their stuff, and what kind of struggle they go through while packing. Now there are three friends, and story begins with three of them, that is Jerome, which is the writer of the novel, Harris, which is his friend, and the third one is George. So these three people are just packing, and that's how their story actually begins. Now let's jump to the story.